Good morning, students. I am your Asma Mulla Miss from Modern English High School. Today we will read the poem and I will explain you the poem Hiawatha, Unit 6. Let us begin the poem. Hiawatha was a young red Indian boy. He lived with his old grandmother Nokomis in a wigwam. Nokomis taught Hiawatha about the wonders around them. She told them about the stars, the trees, the insects, the birds, the animals, and many other things. Hiawatha grew up to love them all. He could talk to the birds and the animals, and they to him. Then the little Hiawatha learnt of every bird, its language, learned their names and all their secrets, how they build their nests in summer, where they hid themselves in winter, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiawatha's chickens. Of all bees he learned the language, learned their names and all their secrets, how the beavers build their lodges, where the squirrels hid their acorns, how the reindeer ran so swiftly, why the rabbit was so timid, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiawatha's brothers. This poem is written by H.W. Longfellow. Now students, let us see the meaning of the words. Now wigwam here means a tent. Wonder, something that surprises you. Hid, past tense of hide. Beast, animal. Beaver, beaver is an animal. Lodge, home of a beaver. Acorn is a fruit. Reindeer is an animal, a kind of deer with very big horns. Swiftly, very fast. Timid, fearful. Now, in this poem, Hiawatha was a young red Indian boy. He lived with his old grandmother Nokomis. They lived in a wigwam. Hiawatha loved the stars, the trees, the insects, the birds, the animals, and many other things in nature. He talked to the birds and animals. Hiawatha learned how the birds build their nest in summer and where they hid themselves in winter. He called them Hiawatha's chickens. Hiawatha learned how the beavers build their lodges, where the squirrels hid their acorns, how the reindeer ran so swiftly, and why the rabbit was so timid. He called the bees Hiawatha's brothers. Now, who was Hiawatha? Hiawatha was a young red Indian boy. Who was Nokomis? Nokomis was Hiawatha's grandmother. What did Nokomis teach Hiawatha? Nokomis taught Hiawatha about the wonders like stars, trees, insects, birds, animals, and many other things. What did Hiawatha love? Hiawatha loved the stars, the trees, the insects, the birds, the animals, and many other things in nature. What did Hiawatha learn about the birds? Hiawatha learned how the birds build their nests in summer and where they hid themselves in winter. What did Hiawatha call the birds? Hiawatha called the birds Hiawatha's chickens. What secret did Hiawatha learn about the beasts? Hiawatha learned how the beavers build their lodges, where the squirrels hid their acorns, how the reindeer ran so swiftly, and why the rabbit was so timid. What did Hiawatha call the beasts? Hiawatha called the bees Hiawatha's brother. Now students, you have to read this poem and understand. I hope you must have understood this lovely poem. Read it and enjoy it. Thank you.